Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can call in Google Chat. Alright guys, first of all, go to your Google Chat application on your phone. But if you don't have Google Chat application, you can open the chat feature on a Gmail application. It will bring you to the same menu as in Google Chat. So for example, I'm going to open my Gmail application. Then we can go to the chat option. So we can tap on the chat button, then we can select an account we would like to call. You can search for the account on the search button, but you can also select an account from your room chat. And for example, I'm going to call this user or this account. So we can tap on the account, then we can click on this call button to start the call. Okay, and now the call is being started, and I'm just going to end this call. So we can tap on this end button. Alright guys, and that's how we can call in Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.